Good morning, guys. So today we are going to talk about one more service of AWS, which is Amazon SageMaker. So it is a fully managed service for AWS that provides developers and data scientists with the tools to build, train, and deploy machine learning models quickly and scale. It removes the heavy lifting often associated with ML workflows, such as managing servers, configuring environments, and handling infrastructures. So key components. And real world SageMaker's end-to-end platform is divided into three stages, like build, which is SageMaker provides a variety of tools to prepare your data and provide and build your models. This includes SageMaker Studio, a web-based integrated development environment for ML, SageMaker Data Wrangler for data preparation. You can use a pre-built algorithm or bring your own code to build models. You can build, train, and deploy. So second one is train. Once your model is built, SageMaker simplifies the training process. You can train models on massive data sets using distributed training, which automatically scales resources up or down as needed. The platform handles the underlying infrastructure, allowing you to focus on the model itself. You can then deploy. After training, SageMaker SageMaker makes it easy to deploy models into production environment. It provides options for real-time interface via API endpoints or batch transformation for large-scale prediction. This allows businesses to integrate ML predictions directly into their applications. And in real time, it is used in e-commerce platforms. Retailers use SageMaker for personalized product recommendation based on customers' browsing and purchasing history. Financial institution deploys a fraud detection model trained on SageMaker to identify an anomalous transaction in real time. And healthcare industries uses it to analyze medical images to detect diseases early or to predict patients' outcomes, assisting doctors in making more informed decisions. In manufacturing, it helps forecasting equipment failure and protect them to, and it performs repair before machine breaks down, reducing costly downtime. In media and entertainment, SageMaker is used to build models that recommend movies or music to users, keeping them engaged with the platform. So any questions related to SageMaker, please ask in the comments. Share this video with the ones who wants to learn AWS. Thank you.